In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity scheduling in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your individual bookings, getting your scheduling streamlined is essential. So, let's dive in and streamline your appointment booking process efficiently. We begin by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website to start your journey with a free trial. Acuity offers a range of powerful features, and this trial gives you the chance to explore and determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Once you land on their website, look for the option to sign up for a free trial. Next, you'll need to create your account. You can do this by providing your email address, or if you prefer, you can connect through Google or Apple for a quicker setup. This step is all about ensuring your account is securely linked to the platform, so choose the option that suits you best. Now it's time to customize the appearance of your scheduling page. Navigate to the Scheduling Page section and click on Customize Appearance. You'll be taken to the Style Editor where you can infuse your unique brand identity. Add your logo, select your brand colors, and ensure everything you choose aligns with your business's personality. This makes sure your clients recognize your brand every step of the way. Next, we'll set your availability. Head over to the Scheduling tab and select Availability. This is where you'll define your time zone and set your standard business hours. Specify the days you're open for bookings and pinpoint the exact time slots you want to offer. By setting clear availability, you'll avoid any booking overlaps or confusion. Let's move on to adding appointment types. Under the Scheduling section again, find and click on Appointment Types. Here, you have the option to create a new service or group class. Enter the necessary details, including the appointment name, duration, and if applicable, the price. This ensures your clients know exactly what to expect and can book sessions that fit their needs. Integration is key for seamless operation. Visit the Integrations section to connect Acuity with services like Google Calendar, Zoom, or even payment processors. By doing this, all your platforms work in harmony, making it easy to manage appointments, host virtual meetings, and process payments seamlessly. After integrating your services, it's crucial to set up your payment options. Go to Payment Settings and link your account with Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Consider adding deposit requirements or other payment options to secure your bookings and manage your finances. Finally, let's get your scheduling page live on your site. Head to the Scheduling Page link, copy the provided embed code, and paste it into your website's HTML using a text editor, such as in WordPress. This action will make your booking system accessible directly from your website, enhancing client convenience. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have a fully functional Acuity scheduling setup, ready to streamline your appointment management and elevate your client interactions. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.